This is the Modetro stainless steel and glass salt and pepper mill shakers, and look how nice these are. So this also comes with this silicone tray here at the bottom, and it's just so stylish and nice. This can fill up to 6 ounces of your favorite salt or peppercorn. Now let's fill it up and try it out. What I really like about this, it has a nice wide mouth, which is going to be easy to fill up, as well as clean too. It's very easy to fill. Perfect. Now all you have to do is tighten it up and you're good to go. Now let's do it for the peppercorn. Look how nice these look. And if you open up this top, that's how you grind it up. And as you notice, there's even adjustments too to make it tighter for fine as well as looser for coarse. Now let's test it out. So you just take off the lid and then you start grinding it up. Beautiful. And if you want to make it finer, you just tighten it up. And if you want to make it coarse, you loosen it up. Beautiful. Let me show you a close-up. This is what it looks like. Perfect. And here's a close-up of the Modetro tray as well as the salt and pepper shakers. I was sent this from Modetro to evaluate and I absolutely love it. It looks so stylish and pretty. Great to use for barbecues as well as dinners too. Basically any meal. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.